Hi everyone, this is test 2 module 1. Okay, so we're gonna start from number 1. So we have a graph. Here is the number of years, the other one is the percent of cars for sale. For what model year, this year is the percent of cars for sale the smallest. This point is the lowest point. Where? When? 2014. Okay. The number 2, a particular machine that produces bit 29 out of every 100 is defective. The probability is 29 over 100 is defective. Okay. If a bit produced by a machine will be selected random, okay, what is the probability? That's the answer, okay? All right. So 29 over 100, that's the probability. Over here, number 3, we have a parallel line with transverse, okay? So what is the value of x, this angle? Okay. This is 33, okay? What is this one? Also 33, right? Corresponding angles. This is supplementary of this angle, okay? So 180 minus 33 is what, 4, 147, okay? Here is number 4. Where is the y-intercept? This is the y-intercept, okay? 0 and 8, okay? Number 5, we have the equation over here. So 36x plus 1000, okay? After 36 months for the particular car dealership is given by here. X is a monthly payment. So what is total cost to release the car when monthly payment is 400? X equal monthly payment. So 36 times 400 is what? 14400. We need to add 1000 over here, okay? So 15400 is the available right cost. Okay, so choice C is the answer. Here is number 6. Each side of a square has a length of 45. What is the perimeter of this one? Times 4, okay? 45 times 4 is what? 180 is the perimeter. Number 7. What is the positive solution? Make sure, okay, that is a positive solution to the given equations. Times x plus 6 both sides. You got this one. 55 equals x squared plus 6x. This is x 6x and minus 55 equals 0. Okay, you can factor this one. What is that? Positive 11 and x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, that is a factor the form. So we have x equals negative 11. The other one is 5. Okay, that is a positive solution. Okay, 5 is the answer. Here is the number 8. An object travels at constant speed of 12 seconds, 12 centimeters per second. At this rate, what is time in second it take the object to travel? 108. This is what unit rate, okay? So speed, 108 is what distance, okay? So 108 divided by 12 is 9 is the answer, okay? So number 9 over here, the listing of the values in data x, data set, and y, which statement is true, okay, about the mean, okay? Now take a look over here. You can use your calculator, okay? 5 plus 9 plus 9 plus 13 and divided by 4. The other one is 5 plus 9, 9, 13, 27 and divide by 5. But when you take a look over here, first of all, 4 data, they are equal. It has what same from here to here, right? Same mean value, okay? But this number, mean value should be what? Around over here, okay? It can be more than 13, isn't it? But this another data over here, greater than 13, which is what greater than mean, okay? So this mean a little higher to the right, okay? So this is the same mean over here, but this is y is a little move to the right, okay? So the mean value of y is what? Greater than x. Where is it? Mean of x is greater than no, okay? Y is greater, so mean of x, oh, this is okay, right? Yeah, x is less than y means y is greater than x, okay? Choice B is the answer. A rocket contained 46,000 kilograms propellant, uh, propellant before launch. Okay, before launch is what? When time equals zero, that is 467,000 kilograms propellant. So after 20 seconds, so at 21 seconds, they have 136,105 kilograms. So the average approximately, okay? How much propellant the rocket burn each seconds after launch? For the 21 seconds, they spent this much. So approximately, okay? They say approximately. So forget about this one. So 467, 360, how much? 105, right, 1,000 kilograms spent this one, okay? Did we do it? For what, 21 seconds, okay? When you divide by this one, so 105 divided by 21 equals around 5,000, okay? Yeah, this is the best answer. Number 11, what is the 16x plus 8? When you multiply by 4, you get what, 16x plus 8. So times 4 again, that is 48 is the answer, okay? That's number 11. Here is number 12. This is a rocket, and the platform. So when t equals 0, there is a 9, okay? This is 9. The graph looks like this way. Hit the ground up here. So h is the, okay, height, t second after he kicked. Which number represents the height in the meters from which the object kicked? This is kicked when t equals 0, okay? 9 initial height, okay? So choice D is the answer. We don't need to find this one, okay? To find this one, we're going to set the value of h equals 0, okay? You have to solve this one, okay? So number 13 over here. Where for what value of that is minimum? This one looks like this. This is the minimum value, okay? This minimum value is on the what? X-axis. You can use the x of symmetry, okay? So x of symmetry is negative b over 2a, right? So negative 50 is positive 50 over 2 times 4 is 8, 6.25, okay? At this value of x, it has minimum. Or you can use vertex form, okay, by text time. So number 14 of you, a small business owner budget 2,200 to purchase candles. The owner must purchase minimum of 200 candles to maintain the discounted, okay? If the owner pays it, small candle is $4.90, and large candle, that is 11 and 60 cents. So anyway, we have another constraint over here, okay? The sum of these two candles is minimum is 200, okay? So what is the maximum number of large? And with this maximum number, the okay, the large candle is Y, small candle is X. You can use this one, okay? So we're gonna find what the maximum value of these numbers to maintain the constraint, okay? So anyway, our budget is what, 220, right? Okay, what is the sum of this one? This is the number of candles, 4.9x. The other one is 11.6y. That is total equals 22,000, right? That's the maximum. So one of the equation over here, 4.9x plus 11.6y must be less than or equals 2200. Is okay? Another constraint of it, this is the first constraint, this is second constraint. Okay, the number of candles should be greater than 200. So x plus y should be greater than 200. Satisfy this one. So which will be the maximum value of y? I will solve this one. When you have inequality, think about its graph. That is easiest way, okay? This will be 11.y, 4.9x, and the plus 2200. When you divide by 11 over here, 11.6, 11.6. This is a graph with a positive slope. This one is what? 2200, 11.6. Maybe you can use a calculator this one, okay? Approximately. So 4.9 divide 11.6. 0.422x and plus 2200 over 11.6 equals what, 189. Okay, 190. The graph looked like this way. Okay, this is around the 190 over here. Slope is what? I'm sorry, slope is negative, right? This is negative. Okay, negative looks like this way. But less than or equals is below the graph. Okay, below the graph. Another one over here, y is greater than or equals to negative x plus 200. Where is 200 a little higher than here? I'm going to use different colors. This is 200 over here, and slope is negative x. This is a negative 4.2, right? A little steepy, okay? Negative x, this way. This 200. But this should be greater than over here. So where's the solution set? This is the solution set. Okay, on this solution set, where is the maximum of y? This point is the maximum of y, right? Or maximum of y is y. Or minimum of x, okay? This is the maximum of y. Now we're gonna find the intersection of this one, okay? So you have to solve these two equations. I'm going to do different colors. Okay, so 4.9x plus 11.6y equals 2200, right? To find the intersection, we're going to make our equations. So x plus y equals 200. So over here, x plus y equals 200. To find the value of y, we eliminate by x, okay? So that's 4 times 9 over here. 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 980, okay? Okay, when you subtract, you got to 11.6 minus 4.9 is 6.7, right? 6.7y equals 2200 over here, how much? 0, 2, 1 to 20, right? Is this correct? Okay, I'm going to calculate, okay. 2200 minus 980. Yeah, 1220 is correct. When you divide by 6.7, how much you got? Divide 6.7, okay. 182.01 approximately, okay. This one is the maximum is what? This one. But candle should be integer, okay. It can be this number, or a little lower than, so which is what? 182, okay. That is the maximum value of y, okay. So the answer is 182 is the answer. Use, okay, the graph approximate, okay. Then you can get some idea, okay. The intersection, always inequality, right? Intersection, it happens, or maximum or minimum happens on this point, okay. All right, this is number 15. Which equation defines x? First, we can check it out. It's a slope. Slope is y2 minus y1. 12 minus 8 over x2. This is x2. This is x1, right? 1 minus 0. Slope is 4. Oh, slope is 4 here. But this is not working. Where is y-intercept? When x equals 0, y equals 8, that is y-intercept. This is y-intercept only, okay? Choice D is the answer. Number 16. We have a 6w squared is given by the equations. That's the area of the rectangle. When width is w, length is what? 6 times w. That is the length. Okay. What that means? F over 14. 14 is what? The value of w, the value of width. When width is 14, this is width. This is the whole thing is the area, right? Area is 1176. Okay, where is it? Width is 14, area is 11. That's true, okay? We already got A. Here is number 17. The circular circumference is 144 pi. The length of arc PS equals twice the length of PQ, okay? If this is length is arc, I'm going to K, the other one is twice. This is opposite, right? Same central angle should be K, this is 2K, okay? What is the length of QR? This length is QR. Total is how much? 4, 5, 6K. That is equals to 144 pi. So K equals what? 24 pi, isn't it? Put this number over here. 2 times 24 pi is what? 48 pi is the length of what? RQ, okay? So 48 pi is the answer. Number 18 is a company that provides whale watching tour takes group 21 people at one time. At a time, it's 21 people maximum. The company's revenue $80 adult. For adult is $80 for each, okay? Unit price. And the child is what? $60 each. The company revenue for one group consisting all together must be what? 114.40, okay? So how many people? Total is 21. You know that. How many children are there? I'm going to tell you the children is X. The other one, 20 minus X is what? Adult. Total amount should be 140, okay? So 80 times 21 minus X. I'm going to go directly. 1680 minus 80X. And the plus child is just 60X. Total is 1440. From here, okay, you can use this one. 20x equals what? Negative 240, right? This is moved to the right to negative 1680, isn't it? That is negative 240. When you divide by negative 20, negative 20, x is what? 12, right? That is the number of children. Choice C is the answer, okay? Here is number 19. So we have h of x is 4x plus 28. This graph looks like this one. This is 28 y-intercept. The slope is about 4x. This is x-intercept. This is y-intercept. This is a0. This is what? 0b, okay? b equals 28. We already got this one. How can you find x-intercept? Set this is y. 4x plus 28 equals 0. 4x is negative 28. X equals negative 7, okay? So this is a equals negative 7. Sum of this one, a plus b. 28 plus negative 7, 21 is the answer, okay? All right, number 20. One of the factors here, x plus b, this is we called a linear factor, okay? Degree is 1. And b must be positive. This is the positive, not 0, okay? So what is the smallest possible value of b? So we need the factor over here. 2x is common, okay? 2x is common. Inside is x squared plus 21x and plus 104. So 2x equals x minus two numbers, 6 and 18. 7, 8 is 8 and 20, no, 13. Okay, yep, that is it, right? X plus 8, another x plus 13, right? That is the factor upon. But if they didn't say b is nothing, just a constant, okay, the smallest b can be 0, right? X plus 0, because you have x terms. But b is positive, it can be x. Positive means what? Only some number of it, okay? It can be 0. So x plus 8, the minimum value of b equals what? Smallest one is 8. Okay, we have two choices, 8 and 13. Okay, 8 is the smallest one. The number 21, in the system of equation, a is a positive constant. The system has exactly one distinct real solution. This graph looks like this one. One distinct is only one intersection of it, right? This is y equals negative 1.5. So you can find the minimum value of this vertex, okay? You can use x of symmetry. Okay, x of symmetry, what is it? X equals negative 8 over 2 times a is 1 and 2, right? When x is negative 4, this is when x equals negative 4, it has what? Minimum value of y. Okay, put this number again, okay? So negative 4 squared is 16. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32 plus a. It should be equals to what? Negative 1.5, okay? So a minus 16 equals 1.5. Negative 1.5 equals how much? 16 plus minus 1.5, okay? Which is what? 14.5 is the answer, okay? Or you can use like discriminant is okay too. But this number, if they are equal over here, if this is negative 1.5, now we can get by quadrate, okay? X squared plus 8x plus a plus 1.5 equals 0. This is we set primary equations. When you get quadrate, only one solution discriminant is 0, okay? So b squared, a squared is 64 minus 4 times a is 1 over here. The next one is a constant, c is what? 1, a plus 1.5. This should equal 0, okay? So it's equal 0, this is equal 0. Divided by 4, 16 equals what? A plus 1.5. So a equals how much? 16 minus 1.5, right? 14.5. You can use what discriminant is okay. This is number 12. We have a factored form. Okay. Factored form means what? This graph will pass through what? 4, negative 5, negative 6. Okay, the graph looks like. This is a graph, right? At this 3 point, negative 6, negative 5, they are all 0, right? Okay. Negative 6, negative 5, 4, f of x values are all 0, isn't it? But we're going to find the graph of this one, which is correct. At the same value of x, minus 3 means what? 3 unit down. The value of y, 0, the unit down is a minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, okay? For the same value of x. Okay, which one is equals to negative 3 over here, okay? They all have the same numbers. This is moved down over here. Okay? So this point, still negative 3, that is a negative 3. This point also negative 3. This point also negative 3, okay? Move down. Here is the number 23. Decrease what? 45%. That is what? Initial altogether. 14, 1 minus 0.45. It's okay? That is exponential, right? This is the rate. Okay? So which one is equal to this one? Choice C is the answer, okay? 1 minus 0.45 is what? 0.55. Here is the number 24. So, okay, y equals what? They create one new graph. Y equals f of x plus 14. Which of the equation defines the value of f? This is the graph of what? Y equals f of x plus 14, okay? So we can choose the point. When x equals 0, y is 2. When x equals 0, y is 2. Y equals 2. When x equals 0, 14. So actually, this value is how much? F of 0 equals 1. It's minus 14 minus 14 is minus 12, right? But this is the graph over here. So which one has when x equals 0, y is negative 12? That is y-intercept, okay? Only this is negative 12, okay? Choice A is the answer. Here is number 25. RS is 20, SD is 48, TR is 52. This is a right triangle, okay? Where is the TR? This is hypotenuse, okay? this is a T, this is R. So this one may be S, right? Okay. RS, this is 20, TS 48, this is 52, okay? That's it. So over here, what is the value of y? Another similar one, okay, UBW, okay, R, ST, UBW, okay? That similar means what? That's a corresponding vertex. Okay? Okay, similar. And when this is R is U, S is now B, okay, T is now W, okay? Look at that, that's similar. What is the value of a tangent W? This tangent W over here. This angle is similar, right? It doesn't change, okay? You can find the tangent W from here, tangent T. Tangent T equals tangent W, okay? Same thing. What is the tangent T? 20 over 20, 48. Opposite over adjacent. Okay, how much? Divide by 4, right? Okay, 5 over 12 is the answer. Choice B is the answer, okay? Here is number 26. 1 gallon of paint will cover 200 square feet. If you got 1 gallon, that is what 200 square feet cover. A room has a total wall is what? W square feet. Which equation represents total amount of feet? We know this is W square, okay? So needed what? To paint a wall of, oh, this is important, okay? Twice. Twice means what? Maybe you can change. This one is what? W twice, maybe you can say 2W square feet. It's okay? Because the surface area is now twice. Now how many gallons? P gallons, okay? So you can use like a proportion or it doesn't matter. So 1 gallon, 220 square feet of 1 gallon. Okay, 2W, how many gallons of beer? Cross multiplication, okay? 220 times P equals 2W. So you can divide by 220. The number of P is what? Divided by 2 is what? W over 110 gallons, okay? So choice A is the answer. Right, number 27, number A is 110% greater than. Okay, so A equals 100% greater than 1 plus 1.1 times B. Okay, that's the equation. So actually, this is 2.1B. Okay, A equals 2.1B. B is 90% less than only 10% of this number. B equals only 10% of this number is how much? 4.7, right? 10%, 1 point times 47, or you can use the 1 minus 0.9 times 47, okay? This is the B. What is the value of A? Equals zero point 0.7. So value of A equals 2.1 times 4.7, right? 1.784, okay? 9, no, 987, okay? 987, two decimals, 9.87 is the answer, okay? Okay, that is the test 2, module 1, okay? So I'm going to see you in next video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in next.